The Philips 800 and the Shark HP102 are almost identical air purifiers in terms of specifications. Both are small, cylindrical air purifiers with similar CADR and nearly identical filtration technology. But which one is the better buying option? Keep watching to find out. These two air purifiers have similar room coverage. The Philips 800 is most suitable for rooms up to 176 square feet, while the Shark HP102 covers slightly smaller rooms, up to 124 square feet. Both will clean the air 4.8 times per hour in their recommended room sizes. The three-stage filtration technology is a feature they both have. The filter in both models is located inside the bottom part of the device. Both are CARB certified, don't produce ozone, and are 100% safe to use. As for smart features, neither model includes a smart app, voice control, or any other remote control option, but both have an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, and built-in auto mode. The filters on these air purifiers are cylindrical and contain 3 layers of filtration. The first layer, which is the same on both air purifiers, is a pre-filter. The activated carbon filter is the second filtration layer on the Shark and the last one on the Philips. Both use pellet-based activated carbon filters. The main filter is the final layer on the Shark and the second on the Philips. Filters on both devices last up to 12 months, and both air purifiers will notify you when it's time to replace the filter. These air purifiers draw in air through openings at the bottom, which is then filtered and then exits through the fan grills on top. You can find more information about filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. These are relatively small air purifiers with a low CADR rating. Based on their room coverage, we tested them in a 194 square foot room. The Philips Series 800 reduced the amount of PM2.5 particulate matter from 93 to 6.5, resulting in an impressive 93% improvement in air quality. Not to be upstaged by its air purifying counterpart, the Shark HP102 improved air quality by 92% in the same test. Both air purifiers operated at their maximum speeds, and the tests lasted for 60 minutes. The nearly identical results in the performance test confirm just how effective these two devices are. We performed one more test with these two devices, measuring how quickly they could remove all the smoke from a glass box. When it comes to noise level, things get a bit more complicated, mainly because the Shark HP102 has 4 fan speeds, while the Philips 800 has 2. We measured their noise levels at every speed. At the lowest speeds, the Philips 800 produces 41.8 dBA, while the Shark HP102 produces 41.7 dBA. However, at maximum speed, the Shark HP102 is slightly quieter, producing 56.5 dBA compared to the Philips 800's 62.8 dBA. Not only does the Shark HP102 offer more fan speed options, but it also operates with less noise and has a better optimized motor. The first thing I want to compare regarding operating costs is power usage. The Philips 800 uses a 20-watt motor, while the Shark HP102 uses a 24-watt motor. If you were to run these air purifiers at maximum speed 24 hours a day, your electricity bill would increase by approximately $1.80 for the Shark and about $1.53 for the Philips. In addition to power usage, there's also the cost of replacement filters, which are significantly more expensive for the Shark HP102, making it the more costly option for overall annual maintenance. What I particularly like about the Shark HP102 compared to the Philips are its additional fan speeds, the use of a true HEPA filter, and a better display. It's also quieter. However, the Philips Series 800 uses more affordable filters, has a better power to CADR ratio, and is much cheaper to maintain, making it the better option and my top recommendation in this comparison. If you have any questions about these two air purifiers, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.